Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Ish. You're joining me here for standardized test style function evaluation questions. Two of these. These are the type of questions specifically adapted such to be the ones you might see on a standardized test exam, and you know which exams I'm referring to. We have a question number one over here. If g of x, it's a function, this function is equal to x squared plus 1. Then we have another function f of x, and that's equal to 2x minus 3. We have to find this f of g of 2. It's designed to be tricky, but when you think about it, it isn't. You have to work from inside out. What you're doing is you're putting the value 2 in place of g. Whatever you get in terms of that, then that value will feed into f. What will g of 2 be? And that'll exactly be right here. In x squared plus 1, you're going to put 2's in places of that x and solve for it. So you see you have x squared plus 1 and 2 has fed into this because we're looking at g of 2. And here you know you're getting a 5. And this 5 will feed very well into the function f as such. You're seeing it right here. This 5 falling right in. So you're going to look at this 2x minus 3 with the 5 fed in. And your answer here will be 10 minus 3, which will be 7. So f of g of 2 is equal to 7, and your answer should be right. Alright, second question here, designed to be a perfect adaptation of a standardized test style question. If g of x is equal to sine x, f of x is equal to tan x over x, a rational function, we have to find f of g of pi over 4. How do you go about doing that? You know this pi over 4 first has to be evaluated with regards to g of x. G of pi over 4 is you saying you're looking at sine of pi over 4. Now you got to think about your trigonometric ratio triangles. You have 45, 45, 90, you'll have 1, 1, root 2. If this angle right here is a pi over 4, sine of pi over 4 is opposite over hypotenuse, and that is equal to 1 over root 2. You know sine of pi over 4 is equal to 1 over root 2. Now this value has to feed very well into right over there. And your f of 1 over root 2 will be equal to tan of 1 over root 2 over 1 over root 2. And you can say your answer will be root 2 tan of 1 over root 2. You don't have to numerically solve this out. This right here very well is a good answer. Just be sure that on a calculator you can actually follow this through. Tan of 1 over root 2 times root 2, and you'll have a good numerical answer. But very likely this right here, it would be the type of answer you would select from your bubbled answers. You would not really be expected to take this forward into a decimal answer, because they would be testing more likely your ability to handle the function part versus than the simple calculator part. And with that, let's say thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Have a good day. Bye.